Welcome to the hcars.studio YouTube channel. The 2025 Dodge Viper. The automotive world is hissing with excitement as Dodge announces the triumphant return of the 2025 Dodge Viper. This iconic performance car, affectionately known as the Snake, is back and deadlier than ever, designed to dominate the road and the track with unmatched ferocity. A venomous powertrain. Under the hood of the 2025 Viper lies a powertrain engineered to inject pure adrenaline. 8.4L V10 engine. The legendary V10 makes a return, now tuned to deliver an earth-shattering 750 horsepower and 700 lb-ft of torque. Lightweight chassis. Utilizing advanced materials, including carbon fiber and aluminum, the new Viper is lighter and faster than its predecessors. Enhanced aerodynamics. A redesigned body with active aero components ensures peak performance at high speeds, delivering unparalleled stability. A predator on the track. The 2025 Viper is a track-focused beast ready to challenge any competitor. Track-tuned suspension. Precision engineering provides exceptional cornering ability and responsiveness. Brembo carbon ceramic brakes. Deliver powerful and fade-resistant stopping power for confidence at any speed. Michelin Pilot Sport tires. Paired with staggered wheels, these tires ensure maximum grip on any surface. A striking design. True to its name, the 2025 Dodge Viper features a design that screams danger and elegance. Aggressive front fascia, snake-inspired headlights, and a wide grille enhance its menacing stance. Exclusive color options, including Venom Green, Serpent Silver, and Black Fawn, paired with optional racing stripes. Low-slung silhouette. Every curve and line contributes to its aerodynamic efficiency and striking appearance. A driver's cocoon. Inside, the Viper offers a cockpit designed for those who crave performance without sacrificing comfort. Race-ready interior. Alcantara and leather seats provide grip and luxury, with optional carbon fiber accents. High-tech features includes a 10.5-inch digital instrument cluster, a central touchscreen with Uconnect 5, and a track-focused data logger. Driver-centric controls. Simplified controls keep the driver focused on the road ahead, while paddle shifters and a manual transmission option amplify the experience. Fierce legacy, electrified future? While Dodge remains tight-lipped about electrification, industry insiders speculate that a hybrid or electric variant could join the lineup in the future, ensuring the Viper's legacy thrives in the age of sustainability. The verdict. The 2025 Dodge Viper is a testament to American muscle, resurrecting the venomous spirit of an icon with modern performance and technology. It's a snake poised to strike fear into competitors while delivering unrelenting thrills to its driver. Mark your calendar and prepare for the Viper's return. It's ready to bite, leaving its rivals in the dust. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.